Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to screen stocks using Finviz. First, navigate to the Finviz website and locate the Screener tab at the top. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks quickly. You can begin by exploring the various filter categories available, such as descriptive, fundamental, and technical options. Understanding these categories is key to effective stock selection. Once on the screener page, you'll see a wide array of filters. Start by selecting your desired criteria from the drop-down menus. For example, you might choose a specific sector, an industry, or a market capitalization like large cap. You can also set parameters for price, such as under $20, or volume, like over 500,000. Experiment with different combinations to narrow your search. After applying your filters, Finviz will display a list of stocks that match your specifications. Take time to review these results carefully. You can sort the list by various metrics, such as price-to-earnings ratio, dividend yield, or performance over a specific period. Clicking on a stock ticker will provide more detailed information, including charts, news, and key financial data, helping you make informed decisions. Finviz allows you to save your custom screens, which is incredibly useful for recurring analysis. Simply click the Save Screen button and give your criteria a name. You can also export your results to a CSV file for further analysis in a spreadsheet program. Additionally, consider setting up email alerts to be notified when new stocks meet your saved screening parameters, keeping you updated effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.